Once there was a puppy named Sparky. One day, Sparky found a bone. He was very happy. The puppy hid the bone under the bush. Next day, when he went back, the bone was not there. Sparky was very sad. He went to the kitten to ask about the lost bone, but the kitten was busy sleeping. Next, he asked the duckling about the lost bone. The duckling said, "I don't eat bones." The puppy was very sad and went to the calf, but the calf was busy drinking milk. Then Sparky went near the jungle. There he saw a baby elephant. The baby elephant became angry, so the puppy ran away. Next, Sparky saw a bunny jumping around. The bunny did not know anything about the lost bone. Sparky started crying. Suddenly, he saw something nearby. A baby crow was holding a bone. "Oh, that's my lost bone," said the excited Sparky. Realizing his mistake, the baby crow said, "I'm sorry." He returned the bone to Sparky. Sparky thanked the baby crow. He was very happy to find the lost bone and a new friend. So children, did you enjoy the story? I'm sure you all did. Now, let's learn about baby animals. A baby dog is called pup or puppy. A baby bat is also called a pup. Baby fox is also a pup. Baby guinea pig is a pup. Baby mole is also a pup. Now, what is a baby cat called? Yes, it's a kitten. What is a baby rabbit called? It's called a bunny. This is a baby cow. It is called a calf. A baby elephant is also a calf. You know, baby giraffe is also a calf. Baby rhino is a calf too. Baby of hippopotamus is a calf. What is this cute animal called? It is a piglet, a baby pig. A baby duck is called duckling. Children, can you tell me, what is this? It is chick. Baby birds are chicks. This is a baby crow. It is also a chick. What is a baby lion called? A baby lion is called a cub. Baby bear is a cub too. A baby tiger is called a cub. A baby cheetah is also called a cub. A baby leopard is also called a cub. So now you know the names of many baby animals. Find the chick. Yes, it's a chick.